Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing another sit down video on how mindset shifts saved my life and how I went from being a pessimist to an optimist. Okay, so we'll go step by step, and I'll just start by letting you all know my personality in the past, like how I was. So basically, in the past, I was probably the most negative person I knew. Like, I was very underconfident. I hated myself. I was just a hardcore pessimist, if you know what I mean. And honestly, I used to make fun of myself so openly. Like, even the content that I used to make pehle, it was all related to how funnily I make fun of myself. And I just didn't know how to love myself at all because I literally hated myself, like physically, emotionally, mentally, like inside out. I hated myself. And even my lifestyle was very chaotic in a way that every day I just used to wake up clueless. I used to be like, I don't know what am I supposed to do today. I used to force myself to make to-do lists and just be productive, but I just didn't want to. So in short, I was a mess. I don't know how to conclude it otherwise, but yeah, I was a huge mess. And also, to just point out how much hate I had for myself. Literally, whenever somebody used to praise me at that time, because I was getting into work that time, right? Like, I was getting into the volunteering work, and I just newly started doing some unpaid and paid work as well. This I'm talking about before the age of 16, 17. So तब तक मैंने already थोड़ा बहुत काम वाम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. Okay, so that time whenever people used to praise me, I literally used to say thank you, and then I used to conclude the reply by saying, I don't deserve this. I am not kidding. All my replies were, OMG, thank you so much. I don't deserve this. What is this reply even? Think about it. I literally didn't think that I'm even deserving of like a normal compliment or a normal appreciation. That messed up I was. So yeah, now you know how messed up I was mentally, emotionally, physically. I was just not in a good headspace. So, of course, naturally, you will be like, then what was the turning point? So, I think the biggest shift happened in 2022. So, basically, in 2022, a major life changing event took place in my family. And that time, I just had this thing in mind that nobody is going to come and save you. Nobody. So, us phase mein, I kind of understood that I have to be there for myself and nobody is going to come and save me. I have to make sure that I survive and I live my life because सब अपने अपने जिंदगी में बिजी है, लाइक सब अपने बारे में ही सोचेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, एंड यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज द टर्निंग पॉइंट फॉर मी बिकॉज बिफोर दैट आई जस्ट डिडंट डिफेंड माई सेल्फ. मतलब मुझे ऐसे था कि अगर कोई मुझे गलत ले रहा है तो आई ओवर एक्सप्लेन माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई वॉज अ पीपल प्लीजर, बट आई नेवर डिफेंडेड माई सेल्फ. लाइक मैं अगर मेरा गलती नहीं होता था तो भी मैं मान लेती थी. सो एट द एज ऑफ 16 व्हेन आई फाउंड माई सेल्फ स्टक इन सिचुएशंस वेयर आई जस्ट डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन एंड आई हैव टू डिफेंड माई सेल्फ, तब मुझे समझ आया कि भाई, nobody is going to come and save me. At the end of the day, it's just me. I am responsible to take care of myself. I am responsible to fight for myself, to fight for what's right, what I think is right, and I have to use my voice. So 16 was, that turning point when I finally started to take care of myself, when I started to stand up for myself, speak up for myself, and think about myself. And that was the time when I made myself my first priority. उसके पहले मैं मेरी फोर्थ या फिफ्थ प्रायोरिटी भी नहीं थी. लाइक ऑनेस्टली मैं बोल रही हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से दिस आउट लाउड टू एनीवन हु इज वाचिंग दिस. The sooner you will realize that nobody is going to come and save you, that you are responsible for your own life, you have to take control of your own life and use your mind, use your heart, use your voice to kind of make something out of your life. That is like the beginning of a mindset shift. And I think people don't talk enough about how this one thought is like the beginning of a mindset shift journey. You will just start with your actions and you will not wait for anybody else to dictate your life. Okay, so now we are coming to the main point of the video. What all I did to completely change my life. So I just want to point it out that सेल्फ लव इज अ जर्नी. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक मोमेंट में अगर आपके दिमाग में आया कि ओ नाउ आई लव माई सेल्फ, It's not like that. It's a journey. At the age of 16, I made myself my first priority, but of course loving myself was a whole new journey itself. And I think abhi 18-19 साल की उम्र में मैं सच्ची में जाके बोल सकती हूँ कि आई लव माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ जर्नी and it really shows up in like the tiniest of things and habits. So that being said, I think small habits really changed how I live my life. Small habits say, I mean, just overall taking care of myself, just focusing on taking care of yourself thoda thoda every day. Like, आज अगर 5% ख्याल रखा तो कल 10%, परसों 15%, तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके यू जस्ट know how to take care of yourself nicely. So I think small habits like this, taking care of yourself, then standing up for yourself, saying no, drawing boundaries, cutting off from people जो internally दिल से कि आपको फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहे हैं या फिर दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर यू. सो जस्ट कटिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम पीपल. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई बिलीव इन energies a lot, especially after 2024 started. I just dived a lot deeper into manifestation, into universe, into visualization, into positive talks, and I just believe in the power of universe so much. That really changed, and I always like to say that I am universe's child. So yeah, what I mean to say is small habits really change the way you see life. So I focused on small habits. I focused on understanding and learning more about the universe, learning more about manifestation, learning more about how the universe works, how positive talk works, how self talk really matters, how your subconscious mind works, and everything. And like I said, changing negative words to positive words really help. And I just started to replace my negative self talk with positive self talk. So of course ये जो 3-4 साल में मैंने खुद को चेंज किया है, it was every day ka result. Like daily I did something small which have brought me here today, jahan pe I'm so positive. I'm like, I talk about optimism online, I talk about self development, mindset shifts, and money, financial independence. It's not a one day ka thing, it's not overnight. 3-4 साल में पूरा डिवाइड होके एवरी डे कुछ कुछ मैंने किया था. नाउ स्मॉल हैबिट्स के साथ साथ आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड टू प्रैक्टिस ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्टिवली. सो आई थिंक ग्रैटिट्यूड इज वेरी अंडररेटेड. I don't think people talk enough about how gratitude can make you feel the optimism deeply from within. So the point is, practice small habits, practice gratitude, be optimistic, feel your emotions, but don't let the negative emotions overpower your positive ones. Let it be the other way around. And at the end of the day, just remember that you've got one life. I have started to say this out loud very, very much recently. जब भी कुछ होता है, I'm just like, एक ही जिंदगी है यार, it's okay. Because we literally just have one life. So yeah, what I mean to say is कि every day just tell yourself that यार एक ही life है, and ये life में सब करना है. द वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम, एक ही लाइफ है एंड उसी में मुझे बनना है. सो नेचुरली यू विल टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स इट. आई वॉज ऑलरेडी वेरी एम्बिशियस बचपन से ही, बट आई थिंक ये 3-4 साल में मैंने वो अपने एम्बिशन की तरफ एक्शन बहुत स्ट्रांगली लेना शुरू किया when I started to realize that there is one life and nobody is going to come and save me. And of course it's not possible for me to talk about everything in detail, and isliye I'll just attach a screenshot wherein I'll just point down everything briefly as to what all you can focus on to change your life slowly and gradually. Just keep in mind that self-love and self-healing, self-development, mindset shift, these things take time. So yeah, I think everybody should make themselves their first priority. At the end of the day, only you can change the situation of your life. Only you can मेक श्योर कि आपका फ्यूचर कैसा दिखेगा. सिर्फ आपके हाथ में है. सब अपने अपने लाइफ में बिजी है. एवरीबडी इज बिजी being responsible about their own lives and about their own future. You are the main character of your life. Just act like it. So yeah, that was it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.